Hey, what is going on, guys? I am actually heading over to our local favorite car wash to meet up with my buddy. Actually, a couple of our buddies. We're gonna head up to the Crest. So, yeah, anyways, guys, enjoy the video, and I will see you soon. We're gonna go the back way into the car wash because I don't feel like sitting through that light for no reason. Hey, there's Euro's Audi. Just park right here. We're gonna do a little illegal, but we gotta leave in a few minutes anyway, so. Threw my trash away real quick, and now we're off again. Gonna go hit up the local grocery store, which is kind of the meeting place. Oh, my buddy Euro actually pointed this out to me, but check this out. Boom! That's what the little middle thing is for. The small Red Bull holder. Freaking lit.
Because the one on the dash is different.
Yo, yeah, those on the dash are not that true. Like even the coolant, that's fucking garbage.
Yeah, it stays at 200. It actually says it's like 220.
not right either. Yeah. No, I would never trust that. I mean, oil I think is pretty close, but the coolant and PSI.
Hey, what's up, guys? I came over here to the shop to work on the BMW. Just gonna kind of goof around a little bit without pulling the head off. There's not a whole lot I can really do towards the head gasket replacement. Still a few things I can throw on. I took the roof box off of my Volkswagen. Let's start with that. So I took the roof box off because halfway up the mountain it started slipping around and moving, and it was getting kind of sketchy. So, got to the top, secured it, got home later that night, pulled it all off. So I have the bars here. The box is still at home. I'm going to throw the bars on here if they work. So, they're universal. Hopefully they fit. Going to find out. Going to eventually put the box on here, but for now I figured that's something I can do. Yeah, kind of just going to goof around today. The car looks so different without the box on it, but honestly I kind of like it. I've had at least bars or a basket on it ever since pretty much the day I bought it, so I've actually never seen it this way before. Just sporty. Maybe I'll get better gas mileage because the Stage 2 Plus definitely doesn't give me that. Soon you'll be up and running. I just need a few extra bucks. Also definitely looks like it might rain, so good thing I don't really have anything super important to do. I just figured I'd take advantage of the clouds because I'm tired of the 90 degrees. Alright, so I haven't adjusted this at all, but it actually looks like the same width for my Golf is actually like the same width for this, so that's pretty nice. One thing that is nice though is that the edges here stick out a lot less than they did on the Golf. On here they stuck out probably about to here, which is quite a bit. I never did nearly hit my head, but I also put them far enough back, so passengers might have, but eh. Yo, that's actually like steel up here, man. Way more secure than it was on the Golf. Look at this. Yeah, it's cranked down. Obviously, my rubber feet for these, hang on, let me get that focus in there. The rubber feet for this, they're actually inside the box, which is back in my apartment. When I get the box and get ready to mount it, I'll just loosen each of these feet one by one and put the little rubber pads back in there, so that way it's not digging into the paint, even though it's already cracked and splitting inside there anyway. I don't want to make it worse, but it's like immensely secure on here, so I'm really happy about that. Hey, what's up guys? So a little bit of a update between the last clips and now. I ended up having to go back and forth from my house 3 times because while putting on the roof bars and the cargo box on the Beamer, I forgot a foot on one of the sets of bars. I forgot there was a couple of brackets that somehow didn't make it in there, so I had to go back and forth 3 times. I ended up not recording any of that. I'm heading back to the shop now. I'm gonna do some random cleaning and stuff on them, on the parts that I pulled off of it. So I'll show you what that product looks like now. It actually looks sick. I love the look of the box in this thing. So hang on, we'll be right there. All right, little update. Box is on. Check it out, guys. Looks sick. I really like it. I actually really like the look it brings to the car. Throw a couple pictures I took of it in the video, just so you guys can kind of see without all the doors and trunk open and everything.
Gotta be bumping.